everyone. My topic is cooking food is very lazy task, but eating food is a very happy task, and that is true. I know majority of you agree with me. Now let us take into example. आपको मैं ये बताऊं कि चलो हम लोग अच्छी अच्छी रोटी बनाते हैं. How many of you will accompany me? Hardly one to two. But if I say chalo hum acha sa khana khate hain, there will be not a single person on earth except the gym person and the diet person who will say no mujhe nahi jana hai. So this is the difference between cooking food and eating food. And when I say, see, honestly, when I say eating food, there are all the images of masala dosa, all the street food, that pani puri, everything comes in my mind. But ever thought how would this thing be cooked? Yes, I have tried cooking masala dosa, and oh god, you need to stand in the front of gas, and there is so much of pressure coming in by your side. तो यही मैं कहूंगी कि for me eating food is a very yummy task, but cooking food is really lazy task for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Sharmishtha, for sharing your thoughts. Our next speaker is Harsh. Hello, Harsh.